In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly add a cool design onto a dress inside Photoshop. Let's begin. First, activate the quick selection tool from the tools bar and basically select the dress in your image. Make sure to not select anything else, and then while this is being selected, hit Ctrl J on the keyboard, and this will pretty much make an isolated layer for your dress. As you can see right here, perfect. Now right click your layer and choose the option Convert to Smart Objects. And while this layer is selected, go to the filter menu, blur, then Gaussian blur. Set the radius to something between 3 and 5, and then click OK. Now the next part can be a little bit important. Go to Image, Mode, and then make sure this is set to 8 bits. Otherwise, if you don't do this, you're gonna get an error like this when dealing with the next step. Speaking of which, go to the File menu, click on Save As, name it anything you want, and click Save. The reason we did this is because Photoshop needs that saved file to use it as a displacement map layer. Without getting into much detail, we just created the texture reference file. Photoshop will use the light and dark areas from that file to know where to push and pull the design layer. This will make sense later, just trust me. But for now, go to File again. This time import whatever design you have. For example, I have this one in hand. Make sure it fills the whole dress. Now let's create a clipping mask. Hold Alt on the keyboard, hover over the line that's between your dress layer and the design layer until this icon appears. When this appears on the screen, press with your mouse, and that's how we're able to place the design onto the dress. But that's not all, of course. As you can see, this doesn't look natural or realistic at all, so keep selecting this layer and head over to the filter menu, distort, and then displace. Set the horizontal scale to something like 45 or 50 or 55. The vertical one, the same value basically. You can always experiment with these, of course. These numbers control how strongly the design will be distorted. A higher number means more bending. Displacement map, stretch to fit. This option to wrap around and embed file data in Smart Object. Click OK. Now Photoshop will ask us to choose a file. This is the displacement file we created earlier, the one we exported and named as dress. Select that file and double click it. As soon as you do that, you will notice that the design automatically adjusts to match the wrinkles and textures on the dress, and you can always drag the design layer and move it around to fit the whole dress. Keep selecting that same layer and go to blending options and click on multiply. Now it looks like it's actually printed on the fabric instead of just placed on top. And that's the key purpose of the displace filter. It makes the design on the dress look natural. You could also go to blending options, hit Alt and drag these two arrows to the left to blend the design more. By the way, you could choose to deactivate the Gaussian blur effect from the dress layer, as it might mess with the blending of the design if your image doesn't have natural lighting, for example. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.